Let's create a cute snowman together, ready to welcome the winter filled with white snow. The snowman will wear a tall hat. Create a vertical rectangle with a moderate height to make the hat's body. This part will be the main body of the hat. Use a slight curve at the bottom of the rectangle to create the hat's brim. From the hat, sketch a large circle underneath to form the snowman's head. Make sure this circle is right below the brim of the hat. Draw a slight curve around the snowman's neck to create a scarf. Add a detail of the scarf flap hanging down a bit in the front, creating a soft and natural feel. Use slightly curved lines to create two arms with sticks. Each arm can be a few curves to create the feeling of tree branches. Place the arms extending out to the sides of the snowman. Sketch a large circle below the head to make the snowman's body. This will be the main body of the snowman, below the head circle. Draw two small circles vertically on the snowman's body to create buttons. Create a long, pointed triangle, slightly tilted to one side, in the middle of the snowman's face to make a carrot nose. Place two small black dots as eyes, placing them above the carrot nose. The eyes can be placed close together, creating a cute look. Create a smile for the snowman by placing a few small dots around to form a gentle curve. Let's take your favorite colors and color the snowman. Make the hat brim bright with red, and the hat body gray. Decorate the carrot nose with a vibrant orange. Use light pink to create cute rosy cheeks for the snowman. Add a little brown to the stick arms for a natural feel. Make the scarf stand out with red and green stripes, creating a pretty striped effect. Finally, color the buttons brown to make them stand out and add warmth. We have completed the snowman. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting drawing videos. See you again!